Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates Worldwide. The first company is Aeonian Biomedical. Post is Sales Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Products is all type of biomedical equipments. Location is at Visakhapatnam and Vizianagaram. Experience must be within 2 years. Contact the person for further details and send your resume. JSW Multi-Speciality Hospital. Location is at Bellary, Karnataka. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacancy is 1. Education qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering domain. Language preferred are English, Kannada and Hindi. Contact the person for further details. Sri Satya Sai Sarla Memorial Hospital. Job title is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 3 years. Number of position vacancy is 1. Location is at Chikkalabur, Bangalore. Contact the number for further details and send your resume to the given mail ID. Bionics Medical Service India Private Limited. Position is Biomedical Service Engineer. Location is at Tirunelveli. Contact the number for further details and look for their website for the further application. Kaveri Hospital. Position is Senior Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Alvarpet, Chennai. Qualification must be BE Biomedical Engineering. Contact the website for the further application and send your resume to the given mail ID. A1 Meditech India Private Limited. Position Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Send your resume to the given mail ID and for further details contact the number given. Follow their website for the resume process. Panimalar Medical College Hospital. Post is Senior Biomedical Engineer and Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts is 2. Products are all type of biomedical experience with 3 years are needed. Qualification must be BE Biomedical Engineering. Send your resume to the given mail ID. ITSA Hospital. Post is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of post holders for 1. Products must be all type of medical equipments. Location is at Raipur. Qualification must be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical or Instrumentation. Medway Group of Hospital. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 2. Products is all type of medical equipment. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical. Work location will be at Chennai. Freshers are also eligible for this opportunity. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Reputed healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. Post is Service Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 1. Location is at Mumbai. Experience must be within 5 years in the field of service. Contact the person for further details and send your resume to the given mail. Healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. Post is Sales Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 1. Industry type is all type of medical devices. Location is at Pune. Experience must be within 4 years in the sales division. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail. Novel Patent Services. Location is at Andhra Pradesh. Job type is full-time. Requirements are with minimal 1 year experience in the required field. Qualification must be MTech or Masters in Biomedical Engineering or Biotechnology. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Abable Healthcare Private Limited. Role is Biomedical Service and Sales Engineer. Location is Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Salary expected is 20,000 to 50,000 per month. Job type is full-time. Contact information is given. Send your resume to the given number. JSW Multi-Speciality Hospital. Location is at Karnataka. Number of vacancies is 1. Designation is for Junior Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 1 year. Freshers are also available for this role. Send your resume to the given number. MECCOM Services Private Limited. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Location is at Hyderabad, Hubli and Miraj. Qualification can be diploma or any degree in the relevant field. Experience must be within 2 years. Contact the number for further details. Profound Meditech. Post is Sales Engineer. Products is Medical Devices. Location is at Chennai. Qualification can be any of the degree related with the field. Experience must be within 1 year. Contact the person and share your resume to the given mail ID. CareMed. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Only females are preferred for this role. Industry type is hospital. 3 years experience or more than that is preferable. Location is at Chennai. Join immediately by contacting the number given below. ITSA Hospital. Post is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Products is all type of medical equipment. Location is at Raipur. Qualification can be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical, Electronics and Instrumentation. Experience must be within 2 years, 6 months internship or guaranteed. SL Raheja Hospital. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 1 year. Qualification can be Diploma or degree in Biomedical Engineering. Kindly send your resume at the given mail ID and contact for further results also. VM Meditech Private Limited. Locations are at Chennai, Trichy, Coimbatore, Fondi, Madurai and Salem. Designation is Sales Engineer, Senior Sales Engineer and Service Engineer. Qualifications are any of the degree related with sales or DIP. Gender specifications are given with male candidates. Panimalar Medical College Hospital. Post is Senior Biomedical Engineer and Junior Biomedical Engineer. Products are 3 years experience with all type of medical equipment. Location is at Chennai. Send your resume to the given mail ID. AH System. Location is at Bangalore. Vacant post is for 1. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Gender specification only female or preferred for this role. You can contact the number and send your resume to the given mail ID. Zeal Medi Solutions Private Limited. Location is at Chennai. Designation is Director. Number of vacancy is 2. Brand and products are related with ultrasound and their types. Minimal 1 year experience is needed for this role. Contact the number and send your resume for further application. TriMed Solution. Location is at Mumbai. Brand and products are not available with all type of medical equipment. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer, Senior Biomedical Engineer. Contact the mail for further application and send your resume to that. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates.